टीवी पर where are people exploring?
Yeah.
Like, you don't get a chance to play something like a Nisha or something like what Jennifer Wingate did in
Yes.
Behad. So I hope that, we crack such roles like Nisha. Like my mom always manifests that Nisha और उसकी cousins too आ जाए. Because she loves the show. She watches the show even now. You see, there are a lot of OTT actors जिनको शायद बहुत लोग नहीं जानते होंगे, पर अगर आपने टीवी पे सेम एक्टिंग करी है, सेम शो किया है, बट दे विल स्टिल लव यू बिकॉज दे वॉच यू एवरी डे.
Apart from खतरों के खिलाड़ी, what next do you want to do in terms of reality?
Yeah, I'm happy doing fiction shows. I don't, of course, I always say never. But खतरों was something कि मुझे करना था और मैंने वो कर लिया. And now I'm happy doing like roles and doing some web or music videos and shows. But पता नहीं, reality, I've not really thought about it.
But okay, if not Big Boss, there are other shows. जैसे झलक है.
Yeah, I would like to do that.
Oh, I'd wait to see you in that then.
Yeah.
So now that the roles have been changing in terms of television as well. People are trying to experiment more. You're having more negative sort of grey shade lead heroines as well. So do you want to explore that, or where do you see yourself right now in fiction?
I would love to play a grey character or something which is maybe like a cameo or maybe something for an OTT platform or something. But for like a daily soap, I think कि जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आप एक बार नेगेटिव लीड कर लो टीवी शो में या एक पॉजिटिव लीड कर लो टीवी शो में, तो मेरे को लगता है कि आई एम ओके प्लेइंग ग्रे शेड्स एंड आई एम ओके प्लेइंग अ नेगेटिव हीरोइन और अ पॉजिटिव हीरोइन as far as the role really
Right.
gives me chills.
Until and unless that
No.
we're seeing you in something which
Something
is
very nice. But
But
if something really excites me, I would not mind doing it.
But don't you feel that seeing you in Nisha was one of the most out of box characters, and
Yeah.
then we've not seen you like that again? We've seen you in so many other roles, but it's not as close to as what you did there.
Nisha was of course one of the most beautiful roles that I have played, and as an actor it was quite a challenge because I was a newbie then. So when I got this opportunity, I was really happy and I learned so much. Like Nisha for me was my base, I learned a lot of things from
Right.
Nisha. Then I did quite different roles, yeah.
But that was the most different from all.
Different, of course, because Nisha was not a regular
Right.
heroine. Na?
Because
She was like a
rest-
tomboy.
All the roles were
बाकी तो
going
but then
towards
if
daily
you see
soap.
also right now TV पर where are people exploring?
Yeah.
Like you don't get a chance to play something like a Nisha or something like what Jennifer Wingate did in
Yes.
Behad. वो ऐसे roles लिखने अभी I don't think people are really experimenting on such roles. At least मेरे को तो नहीं मिल रहे ऐसे वाले अभी तक. So I hope that we crack such roles like Nisha. Like my mom always manifests that Nisha और उसकी cousins too आ जाए. Because she loves the show. She watches the show even now. Because the storyline was so different. It was
Yeah.
so good.
And when you say daily soaps and roles, they've become very stereotypical. If you see right now with the current new shows also coming in, सब एक दूसरे के एक replica ही बनते जा रहे हैं. So to break that, I think the only platform that actors are getting to venture out is OTT right now.
So what I really feel is that OTT has an audience, and TV is always going to have that audience who would
Right.
want to see that same story in every show. There is a community who loves watching the same thing. जो
Right.
हम बोलते हैं ना कि सारी हीरोइनें एक ही जैसी, उनका एक ही दुख है, उनको एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, पति परेशान कर रहा है, बीवी परेशान कर रही है. The plot everywhere is same, but now what do? People love watching that.
Right.
If you see so many shows, they're same storyline, दो हीरो एक हीरोइन या दो, but people are watching, no? You see, there are a lot of OTT actors जिनको शायद बहुत लोग नहीं जानते होंगे, पर अगर आपने टीवी पे सेम एक्टिंग करी है, सेम शो किया है, but they will still love you because they watch you every day.
Right.
So I don't think I can say that कि टीवी के जो रोल्स है वो बहुत ही stereotype हाँ हो गए हैं, but people like it. So जो ऑडियंस को पसंद है वो सरापों पर.
So what you want to do in OTT if you're venturing out there?
Something that I've not done on TV.
तो ऐसे तो बहुत कुछ है.
There are a few shows that I would like to do on TV. पर पता नहीं अब जब आएगा तब उसके बारे में तब बात करेंगे.
Great. So I wrap it up here with that. Any message for the fans?
थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव एंड आपने बहुत बहुत प्यार दिया है हमेशा और आई नो कि जितना इंतज़ार मुझे है अपने आप को देखने के लिए उससे भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों को होगा, बट आई एम गोइंग टू बी बैक वेरी सून एंड जस्ट कीप मी इन योर प्रेयर्स ऑलवेज.